Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group the Mammal. With the leader is Rami Al-Jalisi, Sabram Pradarian, Adita Satriwala, and Natasha Octaviani. See you next video.
Next, we move on to mammal material. 1. Meaning of mammals. 2. Example of mammals. 3. Meaning of elephant. 4. Classification of elephants. 5. Elephant anatomy. 6. Elephant habitat. 7. Types of elephant. 8. Elephant behavior. Next, one example of mammalia is the elephant whale horse. Okay, next, meaning of mammals. Mammals from the Latin mamma, birds, are a class of vertebrate animal characterized by the presence of mammary glands, which in females produce milk for nutrishing their young, a neocortex, hair, and their 3 bones in the middle ear. This characteristic distinguish them from reptiles and birds, whose genetic divergence occurred in the Carboniferous period over 300 million years ago. Approximately 6,400 extant mammal species have been described. The majority of mammals are the intelligent and some possess large brains, self-awareness, and the ability to use tools. Mammals can communicate and vocalize in several ways, including producing ultrasonic, scan marking, alarm signals, singing, and using echolocation. Mammals can organize themselves into fashion, group harms and hierarchies, but they can also be solitary and territorial. Most mammals are polygynous, but some can be monogamous or polyandrous. Next, one example of mammalia is elephant with genus Elephas maximus, whale with genus Cetacea, horse with genus Equus caballus.
Okay, here I will explain the meaning of elephants. Elephants from Sanskrit gajah, liman of Biram, are large mammals in the family Elephantidae and order Proboscidae. Elephants are herbivores found in a variety of habitats, such as savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps. They tend to live near water. Elephants are considered a keystone species due to their impacts on the environment. Other animals tend to keep their distance from elephants, and predators such as lions, tigers, and wild dogs usually only attack young elephants. Elephants are herbivores found in a variety of habitats, such as savannas, forests, deserts, and swamps. They tend to live near water. Elephants are considered a keystone species due to their impacts on the environment. Other animals tend to keep their distance from elephants, and predators such as lions, tigers, hyenas, and wild dogs usually only attack young elephants. Family elephants tend to live in family groups consisting of one family with her young or several related families with their young. Male elephants leave their family groups when they reach puberty and will live alone or with other males. And the following is the classification of elephants. Kingdom: Animalia, Phylum, Chordata, Subphylum, Vertebrata, Class: Mammalia, Ordo: Proboscidae, Family: Elephantidae, Genus: Elephas, Species: Elephas maximus, Subspecies: Elephas maximus sumatranus.
Next, I will explain about the anatomy of an elephant. Pharynx
heart, lung, vertebra, kidney, bladder, anus, intestines, stomach, bowel, nostril, trunks, cranium, brain. So here I will opine about elephant habitat. Elephants are recognized as mega herbivores than weakest intensive roaming areas. The forest habitats most profound and abundant pool of food, such as grass, leaves, bark fruits, and shrubs. Furthermore, water sources are a critical component of elephant habitat, as they require water not only for drinking 2,000 from 1,000 liters per day, but also for bathing, cooling down, and social activities such as walking. Ecology Ecologically, elephant habitat play a crucial role in maintaining a system balance of elephant function as ecosystem engineers. They clear forests, disperse plant seed, create new space and maintain vegetation dynamics. The forest, the existence of healthy habitat is crucial not only for elephants but also for the water biodiversity they depend of their ecosystem.
Next, I will explain about the types of elephants. In this era, living elephants belong to the main genera: elephants, Asian elephant, and Losodonta African elephant. Egg has several subspecies with distinct morphological characteristics, behavior, and geographic distribution. Here is a complete explanation. 1. Asian elephant and Elephas maximus. The Asian elephant is a species found in tropical South and South Asia. This species has a smaller body size than the African elephant, narrower ears, and a back that tends to curve upwards. 2. Africa elephant, Savannah elephant, Loxodonta africana. Savannah elephants are the largest elephant species in the world, living in the savannas and grasslands of Africa. They are known for their large ears resembling the shape of the African continent. 3. African elephant, Forest elephant, Loxodonta coelensis. These forest elephants are separate species that was only fully recognized by scientists. After modern genetic analysis, this diagnosis stem from savanna elephants. So here I will explain about elephant behavior. Elephants are known to have complex behavior and high intelligence. A. Social behavior. Elephants live in matrilineal groups led by the oldest female matriarchs. Social relatives are very strong. Sorry is a nurturing behavior of their parents have care for the child. B. Feeding behavior consuming 150 to 200 of plants per day, acting as ecosystem against because they often vegetation and spread these droppings. C. Migration behavior carrying out seasonal migrations to find food and water. Migration routes are passed down between generations through the matrix memory. The reproductive the the reproductive behavior includes females fase in males, aggressiveness than heck homogeneous, ours in families and long-lived care up to several years. Thank you.